Well, I thought it was absolutely lovely and very graceful, and thoroughly enjoyed it. And joining in was brilliant as well.
Hi, I've thoroughly enjoyed the workshop. Movement is very important with elderly people especially. Thank you for coming, we really enjoyed it.
We had a very enjoyable afternoon with the Indian dancers, which about half a dozen of us took part, and everybody in the audience joined in. So it was a very different day for us at Young Art Club. Thank you so much.
The dancers were brilliant today, so colourful, so musical, and their lovely smiles lit up the place.